Hey everybody, it's Chris Hale. I'm live with Green Rhino. We're actually on a road trip right now in Brownwood, Texas, part of our Abilene trip. Now right here we're at a gas station. We met a real cool gentleman, had a bunch of brake dust on his rims. I asked him if I could try and make a video. You can already see where I cleaned a spot right there, but I want to go ahead and show you guys something. Right here I've got nothing but a towel. Okay, it's all it is. Towel, nothing fancy. Biggest trick with Green Rhino and cleaning tough stains, spray enough on there to be wet and then let it sit for about 20 seconds or so. And you see right there in the heart of that stain where it was the heaviest, it's gone. Totally gone. With a towel, no steel wool, no special pads, no toothbrush, just a towel. But suppose you are the spouse of the mechanic who brings this home on his work shirt and you've got to clean it up. You may not have a bottle of Tide handy, or you might be tired of buying products that don't work or seem to leave residues. This one works on carpets, clothes, and upholstery, and it's going to pull that grease right back out of this towel and break that stain down, replacing your $7 bottle of Shout or OxyClean for about 53 cents a quart to mix and use, and you're using a plant-based product. Coconut, palm, citrus, and salt, guys, all natural. Hope you'll check us out. God bless you. This is Green Rhino, and if that doesn't impress you, I don't know what does.